Smivvy, what are you looking for? Did you lose your favorite shirt? No? Are those them? Is that what you were looking for? Oh. No? You sorting the laundry? Don't eat the button. Ugh, yuck. Yep. What else is in there? Be new. No, thank you. Okay, good girl. What else is in there? No, thank you. Shorts. You're already wearing shorts. Pajamas. Yes, pajamas. Did you find it? Good choice. Better taste it just to make sure, huh? Is that what you were after? Oh, owl shirt. I like that one. Is that a hat? A hat! Where's your nose? Nose. Olivia? Oh, bonk.